Hello friends, in this video we will learn about functional isomerism. In the previous video we have learned about ring chain isomerism. So let us see how functional isomerism are defined. The compounds which have same molecular formula but different functional group show functional isomerism. In order to understand this, we will take each and every functional group into consideration. One important thing to note is the functional isomerism will always go in pair. What does it mean? We will understand by looking at the functional group. The first is alcohol and ether. So for the compound C3H8O, two functional isomerism or two functional isomers are possible. The first is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So this is my alcoholic group, alcohol, and the compound is propane 1-ol. So if one is alcohol, then other must be ether. So next functional group isomers is CH3O, CH2, CH3. The name is methoxyethane. So here the molecular formula remains the same, but the functional group is changing. Here we are having an alcohol functional group and here we are having an ether functional group. So this, what I mean, it goes in pair. The next is aldehyde and ketone. For the compound C3H6O, two functional isomers are possible. First is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. This is my aldehyde group and the name of this compound is propane 1-ol. The next is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So this is my ketone group. The name is propane 1-ol. So again, molecular formula remains same, functional group is changing. So these are the pair, aldehyde and ketone. The next is for the compound C2H4O2. The first is CH3, C double bond O, OH. Name of this compound is ethanoic acid. And the next will be ester, that is HC double bond O, OCH3. Name of this compound is methyl methanoate. The next is C3H5N. Two functional isomers are, one will be of cyanide, that is my CH3, CH2, CN. Name is ethyl cyanide. The next is, another will be CH2 isocyanide, NC, ethyl isocyanide. The next is nitro and nitrite. For the compound C2H5NO2, the first compound will be of my nitro functional isomer CH3, CH2, N double bond O and O. The name is nitroethane. And the next will be CH3, CH2, O, N double bond O. Name of this compound will be ethyl nitrite. The next is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. The first, the compound we are taking is C3H9N, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Name of this compound is propane 1-amine. Other functional isomer is CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. Name of this compound is N-methyl ethanamine. The third isomer is CH3, N, CH3, CH3. The name of this compound is NN dimethyl methenamine. So this is my 1 degree, this is my 2 degree, and this is my 3 degree. The next is alcoholic and phenolic compounds. So alcohol also have another pair, that is alcohol and ether, and same way here alcohol and phenolic compounds will have another pair. Here alcohol we are talking about the which will have a ring, cyclic ring. Let us see. CH2, this is my alcohol, name is benzyl alcohol, and phenol will be OH, CH3. This is my orthocresol or 2-methylphenol. The next, alkyl halide do not show functional isomers. So this point you have to remember. Other functional group are showing functional group isomerism or functional isomerism. So we have seen that in each and every case we are having a pair of functional group in which the compound molecular formula is remaining same but the functional group are changing. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, then please write in the comment section. Thank you. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.